What's up, guys? Well, my new case is here. Decided to go with the SilverStone Redline Series RL06. This is the one that has the good airflow and the tempered side glass panel. This is about $100. Got it off Amazon. So, let's get this thing out of this box. Here it is. Here's the top. I'm actually gonna grab my light here because unfortunately my room's light isn't really the best for this kind of stuff, especially on a black case. But on the top we have a place for two 120mm fans, so you could also put two 40mm all-in-ones up there, no problem. We've got our power button right here. There is no reset button. We've got a hard drive activity light, our USB 3.0, 2.0, headphone and microphone. Now on the side here we have a tempered glass side panel. I'm just going to leave the stuff on it until I'm done building in it. That way I don't get the glass all instantly fingerprinted up. The back has one 120mm fan already installed for you. There's your expansion bays. There's where the power supply goes. And then here's the front. The front you get three 120s. Three 120mm fans. This particular one, they glow red as well, so that's kind of nice. Honestly, this computer case looks like it was my old Mite computer case from Deep Cool and my current do-it-yourself PC case combined into one decent case. Because I had good airflow in the Deep Cool, but yet that one looks a lot better. This one's kind of in the middle. I still think that one looks better, but that glass in the front and stuff turns that thing into an oven. So, let's get this thing opened up and start building in it. Figure I'd do a quick interior shot here. It says SilverStone there. It's got plenty of cable management. They're not, they don't have any rubber grommets in it, but at least it's smoothed out, so you're not gonna cut yourself on it. If I did that on a case other than this, my hand would definitely be bleeding all over the place right now if I attempted that. So that's cool. I like non-sharp cases where I'm not bleeding everywhere by the time I'm done with a build. But let's get that motherboard and everything on my old case into this case. Alright, well, we got it all put in there. I think I hooked all the connections up correctly and everything, so let's find out if it starts. Well, that's a good sign. Hook the power button up correctly. There is no reset button, and the power LED is the little ring around it, so I hooked up that. I saw the hard drive light pop up. Boom! Hooked up all the front panel connectors without anything. Just reading off the motherboard itself. Now let's see. Alright, is it actually going to do something? Alright. Heck yeah. Alright. Obviously it just started up, so. But yeah, I'm expecting the temps to be a lot better than they were with that other case. But let's see here. I mean, it's a little loud, but I'd rather it be loud and have good airflow. This whole case is basically all about air and air cooling. So basically that's what I decided. I have a big air cooler and I have a big air cooled video card, so I figured I might as well get a case that's completely all about airflow. And I couldn't find any Meshify C's in stock. And plus in the stock configuration, this one beats the Meshify C. Not by much, but by a little bit. Now, it has a very, 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 very dark side panel. Like, see, I got my lights up there. But you can barely even see my cooler. You can't even see my graphics card barely down there. I mean, you can see the little connectors. But I add some more LEDs at the bottom, I guess, as well. So that'll help with that, but other than that, I think everything works. Let me grab a USB and make sure my front USB connections all work. Alright, boom, popped up. If the one side works, I don't see why that wouldn't. Boom, yep. Everything works, sweet. Well, alright then. I am definitely happy with this. Now, I didn't bother getting comparisons, so I don't know how well the temps are going to do, but real quick before we stop this video, I'm going to just run some Valley real quick for like half hour, 20 minutes, something like that. And then we will see how hot it gets. Alright, we had that test running for a while, so here's the max temps right here. So I'd say that's a lot better. We'll just go down and look at all the temps for everything. Here's the memory. Alright, voltage regulators and whatnot. And the GPU. Alright, and that's it. So, all in all, I'm pretty dang happy with this case. After I have it for a while, I'll definitely do a review on it. Didn't seem to be too many reviews. But, anyway, till the next video, peace out, guys.